You're watching K News HT International. Sahiwal forces of Pakistan are the survival and security of Pakistan. The forces of Pakistan have made a countless sacrifice for the survival of our generation and the protection of the country of good Pakistan, which protect to Pakistani can never forget. All the evil elements to who have become to the facilitate of the enemy country India are involved in the attempt to the create Jews in country and damage to national property. The people of Pakistani will fight against the evil deeds to end the its forces. It is standing like a leaden wall. This was said by Syed Alamdar Hussain Shah, focal person overseas Pakistan, President Print Media Association, Rana Waheed, Harisha Gilani, Deputy Organizer, District Sahiwal, Pakistan Muslim League Noon, Mia Alayar Gregor, representative to Pakistani business community, Christian community, human rights were also present on this occasion. He also offered a special prayer at the Muslim of community Usman Shahid and said that we are proud of forces and the militaries. The Pakistan Army under the command of General Asim Munir will fulfill the expectation of our countrymen. Her mandate to and exam the fearless and dexterous to command of Pakistan Army are facing to internal and external challenges and threats. Pakistan Army has the full capacity to the close territory of the internal and external enemies. It is a because of Pakistan Army that we are living a peaceful life. Our the soldiers are performing their duties day and night on the borders.